Good morning traders, and welcome to the daily call today, Wednesday the 15th of July. Before we get started, as always, please understand that any advice in today's session is of a general nature only and that your personal circumstances have not been taken into consideration. Alright, yesterday there was no actual data released. The biggest moving currency yesterday was the euro, in particular against the US dollar. The EURUSD drove up around about 60 odd pips for the session. It's opened this morning and continues to push. It is actually our chart of the day. The euro at the moment seems to be getting a lot of investor confidence as the treatment of the COVID-19 situation throughout Europe seems to be handled much better than what it was throughout the US. So in particular, the EURUSD is pushing forward, which basically leads me to this morning's chart of the day. Let me show you, which is the EURUSD on a daily timescale. And when I look at this particular chart, we had this high a while ago. Basically, the market drove down in March throughout the first lockdown phase, which occurred pretty much most places globally. Market's been driving up, it's pushed towards there, didn't quite make it, come down, driving, and it's getting towards that push again now. So what I'm going to look for as we approach this resistance level, or a possible resistance level, because we don't have too much history on it, although this level came relatively close. If we can produce that price action reversal in the hot zone over here where I marked out already, then I would definitely be interested in being a seller in this market. Alright, so at the moment the trade is not quite set. Add it to your watch list and let's see if we can get a trigger here. This morning's chart of the day is the EURUSD on a daily timescale. Before I leave the chart of the day, incidentally, yesterday's Euro Yen on a 4-hour time frame, when I presented it to you, I actually caught it a little bit late, which gave us an opportunity to enter at a better price. From the level where I showed it to you yesterday, we hit target, hit the first target, and then basically shortly after the market turned around and went in the other direction. So not sure what happened with you guys on that one, but just letting you know that from what I showed you yesterday, we actually hit the 1-to-1 target on that Euro Yen 4-hour time frame chart. All right, let's move along and let's have a look at what's on the agenda for the session, which is about to kick off. We have tentatively unscheduled throughout the day. It's from Japan. We have the monetary policy statement and their interest rates decision due out, usually expected around about between 11 a.m. and 1 p.m. That's local Sydney time. The other news that we have happens at midnight. It's from Canada. Again, it's another central bank providing its monetary policy report and interest rate statements. That's the Bank of Canada. And 1 hour later at 1 a.m. they will be releasing their official press conference. So look out for that. Any Canadian dollar traders or cross pairs, that is the possibility of volatile currency for the session, which is about to kick off. That pretty much wraps up, guys. As always, please feel free to contact us if you do have any questions. Follow me on Twitter at ChatFX for trade setups and breaking news. Most importantly, hope you all have a fantastic trading day. I won't be able to give a daily call tomorrow. I have a prior engagement at this time. I will try and push out a chart if I can, but otherwise I'll speak to you on Friday. Bye for now.